What's up, guys? If you make stained glass or you solder, you're going to love this. I recently did a video showing how to remove tarnish from a roll of old tarnished copper foil tape, and someone commented and said, why don't you do it on the whole piece, the piece of glass that's already foiled? So I thought, why not? I have a bunch at home, so check it out.
Across this bag of old scraps of stained glass that I wrapped in copper foil a really long time ago. I mean, you can see they are tarnished. Some of them even have a little bit of like patina on there. Let's take a look at some of these. Beautiful glass. I mean, I haven't made stained glass in a long time because I've been busy writing books about soldering. And I'll show you a really cool trick. But I'm doing this in my sunny window so you can see some of the beautiful colors of this glass. And these are actually pretty big scraps. Like if I were, like, I wrapped these probably it could be 20 years since I wrapped these. And nowadays I would use these scraps, you know, they're pretty big scraps to wrap up, but I must have had some kind of idea what I was gonna do with them. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how you can clean them up like really quickly. So you need a plastic container. You're gonna need some salt. I'm using just any kind of salt. I'm using sea salt, but it can be any kind. And then I'm gonna use white vinegar, small glass custard cup. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of these glass pieces and I'm just gonna put them right in this container. Just a bunch of them. Here's one. That should be enough for now. Here's another good one that's nice and tarnished. I'm gonna take some of the sea salt, right? So I'm just gonna open this up like this. And I'm just gonna shake some in there. It doesn't have to be like a ton, just like that much, right? Maybe a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take my vinegar, right? And I'm just gonna put like a splash of vinegar in there. Not that much, maybe, okay? And I'm gonna just mix it up and let the salt dissolve, right? I have my container with my stained glass pieces in it. And let's zoom in a bit so you can see really close up how awesome this is going to be. You see how tarnished those are, right? So watch. I'm just going to take this like that. Did you see that? Did you see how fast that worked? Isn't that crazy? Look at that. And then you could flip them over, but look how shiny that is. Right, so let me show you with another piece. Here's an example. Here's like a real tarnished one, right? You can see it's really tarnished. And like, here's one that I just cleaned, so you can see like the difference in it, right? Watch this. That's it. Now it's like super shiny. And then I would just take them out and rinse them off. Rinse them with water, dry them off, and then they're ready to solder. Show you one more time. I have plastic container. I'm gonna pick out some tarnished stained glass pieces. They're looking pretty yucky, pretty tarnished. Here's one, here's one. There's a really tarnished one. And there's a really tarnished one. And then I'm just gonna take, there's a piece of chocolate on that one. I'm gonna take salt and vinegar in a little container, mix it up, right? And then I want you to really see how fast this works. Like in front of your eyes. Look at that. All the tarnish is gone. And just leave them in there for a minute, and then just take them all out, rinse them off and dry them, and then they're ready to solder.
So yes, you can remove all the tarnish from the glass that you have had foiled, whether it's been sitting around for a long period of time or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back soon with a new video for you. So I'll see you next time. Bye guys.